I will discuss with ChatGPT about a very important topic, the role of meditation in reducing stress and anxiety. Now, we will connect with ChatGPT and we will ask questions. Hello, are you listening?
Hey, I'm right here. No worries at all. What's on your mind today?
Today, I will discuss with you about meditation.
That sounds great. I'm really curious. Are you looking
Okay. Okay, meditation has become a powerful tool in today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety are increasingly common. By calming the mind and focusing on the present moment, meditation helps individuals regain control over their thoughts and emotions. It is not just a spiritual practice, but also a scientifically supported method to improve mental well-being and inner peace. So my first question is, what is meditation and how does it work to reduce stress?
great question. So meditation is basically a practice where you focus your mind, often by paying attention to your breath, a mantra, or bodily sensations. By doing this, you activate your body's relaxation response, slowing your heart rate, lowering cortisol levels, and that in turn reduces stress and anxiety. Over time, it kind of retrains your mind to stay calm even when life gets hectic.
How does meditation affect the brain and emotional responses?
Yeah, that's a really interesting part. Research shows that regular meditation can actually change the brain. For example, it can thicken the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in decision making and emotional regulation. At the same time, it can reduce activity in the amygdala, which is the part of our brain tied to fear and stress. So basically, it helps you respond to calm and clarity.
Okay. What are the most effective types of meditation for anxiety relief?
That's a great follow up. So, some of the most effective ones for anxiety are mindfulness meditation, where you focus on the present moment, body scan meditation, and even guided visualizations. Practices like love and kindness meditation can also be really soothing. It's kind of about finding which style resonates with you and sticking with it.
Okay. My next question is, can meditation replace medical treatment for stress and anxiety?
That's an important distinction. Meditation is a powerful tool, but it's usually best as a complementary practice, not a complete replacement. For moderate to severe anxiety or stress, it's really important to consult a doctor or therapist, but in many cases, it can help reduce reliance on medication or enhance other treatments.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah,
how long
exactly.
should how long should one meditate daily to see noticeable results?
Yeah, that's a really common question. Most people start with about 10 to 15 minutes a day, and over a few weeks, they tend to notice a shift in their stress levels or mood. If you have more time, around 20 to 30 minutes a day, even better. Just the key is consistency.
What role does breathing play in meditation practices?
Oh, breathing is central. In fact, a lot of meditation techniques are built around focusing on the breath. It helps anchor you in the present moment, calms your nervous system, and it's kind of like a bridge between your mind and body. So, slowing down and being mindful of your breathing really amplifies the whole experience.
Right. How does mindfulness meditation differ from other forms of meditation?
Yeah, great distinction. So, mindfulness meditation is all about being fully present and observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Other forms like transcendental meditation might focus on repeating a mantra or guided meditation, which might take you through a specific visualization. But mindfulness is really just about being aware in the moment without trying to change anything.
Can beginners easily learn meditation and where should they start?
Yeah, absolutely. Beginners can definitely learn meditation. A great place to start is with guided sessions. There are lots of apps and videos out there like Headspace or Insight Timer. You just set aside a few minutes a day, and over time, you build the habit and comfort with it.
Okay. Uh, what are the long-term benefits of meditation on mental health?
Yeah, there are quite a few long term benefits. People who meditate regularly often report reduced anxiety and depression, better emotional regulation, improved focus, and even better sleep. Over time, it kind of rewires the brain to respond more calmly to stress. So it's like a lasting boost to mental well being.
How does meditation improve sleep quality in stressed individuals?
Yeah, so meditation really helps by calming the nervous system. When you're stressed, your body goes into that fight or flight mode, which makes it hard to wind down. By practicing relaxation during meditation, like slow breathing or body scans, you shift into a parasympathetic state. That lowers cortisol, quiets the mind, and helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep more deeply.
Right. Are there any scientific studies supporting meditation for anxiety reduction?
Yes, there's solid scientific evidence that meditation can reduce anxiety. Reviews show that mindfulness based practices like mindfulness based stress reduction or mindfulness based cognitive therapy lead to short term reductions in anxiety symptoms. At a brain level, meditation can lower activity in the amygdala, which is tied to anxiety, though the quality of studies varies and it's best used alongside other treatments if needed.
Okay. How can meditation be incorporated into a busy daily routine?
Yeah, that's a really practical concern. You can start by just carving out small pockets of time, like a 5 minute meditation after waking up or during a lunch break. You can also try integrating it into everyday activities like mindful breathing while commuting or a few minutes of body scanning before bed. The key is consistency, even if it's just a few minutes here and there.
What challenges do people face when starting meditation, and how can they overcome them?
Yeah, definitely. One big challenge is a busy mind. People often feel like they can't stop thinking. Another hurdle is impatience. They expect instant results and get discouraged. To overcome these, it really helps to start small, be patient with yourself, and remember that thoughts are normal. Just gently bring your focus back to the breath. And with time, it gets easier.
Okay. How does meditation help in controlling negative thoughts?
Yeah, that's a great point. Meditation helps by giving you a space to observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. So instead of reacting immediately to a negative thought, you notice it, let it pass, and then choose where to place your attention. Over time, it builds this mental habit of not feeding into those negative loops, so they lose their power.
Right. Can meditation improve overall quality of life and relationships?
Yeah, absolutely. When you meditate regularly, it tends to boost your self awareness and emotional regulation, which means you respond more calmly and with more empathy in relationships. Plus, you tend to enjoy daily activities more, so overall, it just enhances your sense of well being and connection with others.
Give me a few examples.
Sure. For example, after practicing mindfulness, someone might respond to a conflict with a partner more calmly instead of reacting impulsively. Another example, a person who meditates might feel more present and patient when playing with their kids, or they might recover faster from a stressful workday, simply because they have this mental pause.
Okay, right. In conclusion, meditation offers a simple yet powerful way to manage stress and anxiety in our daily lives. With a regular practice, it not only calms the mind but also strengthens emotional resilience and promotes overall well being. By making meditation a part of our routine, we can lead more balanced, peaceful, and fulfilling life with meditation. Thank you so much for conducting this session with me.
You're so welcome. I'm really glad we got to discuss it. If you ever have more questions or want to dive deeper, I am here for that. Take care and happy practicing.
Okay, thank you.